In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process how to merge queries in Power Query. So there are different kind of joins which you can do, left, outer, inner, and so on. The most common one is left, outer, and inner. So in this example, I'll be using inner, but I can also use left, outer to get the result. So in this example, I have two set of records. One is Purchase Master or Supplier Master, and along with the purchase invoices. So in this example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do step-by-step process how to merge query to get the data from two multiple sources. For this example, both data is in Excel, but it can be in different form. It can come from any accounting or ERP system or anywhere else. So let's start now. So here I'm going to create a new file, which is report, and it will merge both purchase data and supplier data. So here is the supplier master, which is a very simplified format. And here I have the due dates. And this is the invoice data where I have the supplier name, invoice number, and amount due. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to launch Power Query and get the data from these two files. So here is the data from the first file. And now I can add the data from the second file. I'm going to load the data. So as I said, here the vendor code and due date is coming, but definitely there will be more than one field available practically. So here I can do little amendment. I delete column 5. Here I exclude the nulls because these are not due. I'm going to change the document date format. Invoice number is fine, and going to split the vendor code and vendor name. So I can split with the number of characters as far left as possible with 6 characters. And now coming to sheet number 2. First, let me change the name here so that the name of the field is matching with the other sheet name with vendor, and here is a vendor as well. Changing the date format. Here you go. And as you can see, the vendor code is what is matching, and I can link these two data with the vendor code. So what I can do, I can right click here with new query and combine. Merge queries as new. And here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to link sheet 1 with second sheet. So here I'm going to select first sheet and here second sheet. I'll match vendor code with vendor code, and here the join kind is left outer. It can be inner as well because as both data is matching, so you can see 120 of 120 rows are selected. Yeah, and it can be with inner as well. So I did with inner. So here what it did, it bring the data from the second sheet and it will add it here as a column, the column name. Here you go. So now what I did, I am able to merge these two Excel sheet into one. And with this, I can make the report what I want. So as you see, there are different kind of joins available. There is also one append function which I didn't cover in this video. Let me know if you want to learn what is append. But here it's merging means it has to link these two tables with something common. And that common thing was vendor code. So that's it for my side. Let me know if you have any questions. I have loaded the query here And as you see that all these additional fields are also coming along with the invoice amount. Thank you for watching. Until next time.